Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about something that I wanted to share since a long time, but before that, if you want to know from where I have got this, then you can check out my previous video to know about it, and you can get some more suggestions about my dresses also. So in this video I'll be talking about something that generally girls use in their regular day-to-day basis, that is makeup removal pads. Now you will be using it and throwing it, but you may not be knowing it, but unknowingly you are somewhat polluting the environment. So I wanted to show something that is totally reusable and you can make it from your own, that is reusable makeup removal pads. If you go to Amazon or Flipkart and you want to see and buy something like that, you will be needing at least 600 to 500 bucks, and if you go for a very good quality like purely cotton and bamboo cotton, then it will be like 1200 to 1300 per pack for six pieces of makeup removal pads. But I'll be showing you how to do it from your own t-shirt, cotton t-shirt, so that you can save so much. And I will be just showing you how to make it out of the sleeves only, not even the entire t-shirt, just the sleeves of the t-shirt. So you can make it your own and you don't even need a stitching machine. You can just do it from your with yourself only if you have a little knowledge of using your hands. So without further delay, let's get started. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get all the notifications about the videos I upload. And don't forget to follow me over Instagram as well. The handles are over here, and subscribe over there. So now without further delay, let's get started. The only thing we need over here is a cotton t-shirt. So I'm using this cotton t-shirt, and I'm using two glasses that I was having in my house, one for a smaller size of pad and another one will be a larger size. Now I am trying to utilize the maximum space. So first I am pressing it up so that I can trace the circles. Then I am shaping it with the help of the pencil so that I can cut accordingly. Now coming to the cutting part, you know how to cut. I don't need to teach that, I guess. Just with the help of the scissors, try to cut it in a precise circle as much as possible. It is not necessary that you just make circles only. You can also make squares or triangles or hexagons of your choice, any shape of your choice. I made it circle to make it look typical handmade ones, the way you get it in a ready-made stores in Amazon or Flipkart or anywhere. Stitching this, so hand sewing was the best option for me. You don't need any kind of special stitch. I'm also doing a basic stitch, so stick with that only. So I have stitched up to this. Now I will be flipping it up and again stitching it back. You can keep it like this as a new design, but I would rather flip it to give it a smooth finish. I can't flip it so nicely like my mother, so I just took her help. She just flipped it, and then with the help of finger she stretched the edges so that you will get the maximum area, and the folds will be also smaller, so you will be getting a smoother finish and smoother area for this. After flipping, I'm just sewing this edge. This one. You can simply use it like that only, but I just flipped it to give a smooth look. You can also stitch it with the help of the sewing machine. I didn't prefer that because it was consuming more amount of area while sewing, while in hand I was able to sew with the least area, and I was getting more bigger pads in comparison to the machine stitched ones. Wow, the pads are ready for your use. I have made total of 6 big pads and 2 smaller reusable makeup removal pads. You can make according to your choice. I just use the sleeves. Now I'll be showing you the demo so that you can really see how it really works well. So if you have any kind of empty jar, you can keep your makeup removal pads in that, but I kept in the same packet where my micellar water was present, so not a big deal. You think you cannot clean this? You can see I just used and cleaned this. Just applied some of the soap or the cloth washing bar and just cleaned it well, you see. Now I'm gonna dry it in the sun. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will say I'll bring the next video very soon, but before that I want to say that yes, you need to share this to your friends and whoever is using makeup so that at least they can do their bit in saving the environment and doing something really eco-friendly in their day-to-day life. This is not something really bad. This is a simple and small initiative that you can take by just giving your 10-15 minutes from your entire day, right? I hope you will share this video. So I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye. Oh shit. छाड़ा एड़ा तू करू बाकी ओके वो